Welcome back. This is our second video in our series of 4. This is just a few minutes talking about the midterm and final exams. So we have 2 exams during this little 6-week semester. The first one is the midterm, which happens during week 3. And the midterm exam opens on Friday, July 3rd at 12 noon and closes on Sunday, July 5th at 11:59 p.m. The midterm covers weeks 1 through 3 only, and there is a study guide available in Canvas near the top of the page. The final exam occurs during our last few days of class. It opens at 12 noon on Tuesday, July 21st, and it closes at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 23rd, which is our last day of class. The final covers only weeks 4 through 6. It does not cover the whole class. It only covers weeks 4 through 6. The study guide for the final exam will be made available during week 4. For both exams, you can start the exam anytime you like during the period that it is open. However, once you begin, you will have 60 minutes to take it. So that means you will need to begin before 11 p.m. on the last day it's open. Once you are done, once the 60 minutes are up, Canvas will turn your exam in for you. So be sure to, plan well when you're taking your exam. There are no makeups for exams in this short summer class, so please plan your schedule accordingly. And like I said, there are study guides available, and these will help you to plan and organize your reading and studying in this class. If you have any questions about the midterm or the final or anything else I've talked about so far, be sure to email me at the email given at the top of this syllabus, or I guess you can email me through Canvas. So your quiz question is on what the exams will be like, basically. So each exam will be between 40 and 50 questions, and all questions will be either multiple choice or true false. All right, that's the end of this video. On to the next one.